Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox this Wi-Fi adapter from TP-Link. Here you can see the box and its model number is Archer T3U Plus, and this Wi-Fi adapter supports 867 Mbps on 5 GHz of frequency and 400 Mbps of frequency on 2.4 GHz of frequency band. So you can see, and here is the manufacturer description, you can see here. So let's open this box. So first we have this CD. So basically it is a driver for our Wi-Fi adapter. With this we have to install this driver to our system, and after that only our Wi-Fi adapter will work properly. And this is the user manual, and this is the main product. This is the TP-Link Archer T3U Plus Wi-Fi adapter. So this is the adapter and this is the antenna. You can see we can change the direction of this antenna like this. We can do like this. So this is the main product. I will also show you how much internet speed we will get from this Wi-Fi adapter. So let's move to my laptop screen. So this is my laptop, and I have connected my laptop with my Wi-Fi. And first let's check how much internet speed I am getting with my laptop integrated Wi-Fi module. So I am going to click on go to check my internet speed. Here you can see my download speed is 0.06 Mbps and upload speed is 0.31 seconds. So I'm going to connect TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter, this one, with my laptop, and let's check how much internet speed I will get with this adapter. So guys, I have connected my TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter with my laptop. So let's check how much internet speed I will get with this adapter. So guys, with this adapter I am getting 10.50 Mbps download speed and 1.83 Mbps upload speed with the same Wi-Fi. So guys, without using the TP-Link adapter, you can see my speed was 0.06 Mbps download speed and 0.31 Mbps upload speed. And after connecting my TP-Link adapter, you can see my download speed is 10.50 Mbps and upload speed is 1.83 Mbps. So my internet speed is increased. So guys, I think it is worth to buy this product, TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. If you guys are interested in buying this product, then I have given the link in the description below and comment section. So guys, if you like this video, then share this video and like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.